All right, happy Friday, my people. Gotta love Fridays, closing out projects on Fridays. It's the best time to close them out. Today's our last day here. We're gonna pull this rock out, the temporary rope we put in, grade everything out, load it out. Miko is just saw cutting right now, and her laying out the saw cut. He's gonna saw cut this floor. Come out real sweet. So we're just gonna saw cut off of every jog, because that's where the floors want to crack, is off these corners. So we'll go from corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner, and then here, and then just do one like a T through the center. So I'll get a clip of that when he's doing that, and I'm gonna be loading out. Sweetness. Last piece to leave the site. Picking up the skitty bitty. Good. Nice. Again, this is just rough grade. Once they're done with the construction phase, we'll come back, Harley rake, and topsoil. So stay tuned for that in another month or so probably. But yeah, so we're heading back to the yard. We're just gonna do some pressure washing. Maybe I'll get some clips of that, and stay tuned. All right, back to the yard. Gonna unload this, pressure wash a couple machines, call it an early day. It's gonna be Labor Day weekend. It's Friday. We're gonna work a half day today. Miko has plans. I got some plans. So yeah, nice easy day. Good job to finish the project on. So stay tuned. We'll do some pressure washing. All right, guys, just cleaning up. Like to do this after every job. That way it's clean when it goes on to the next project. Keeps everything nice. Keeps all the debris off the roads. When you're trailering, makes you find leaks when they happen. So we try to keep everything clean each time. Miko just sprayed the GoPro. All right, we're gonna wash this bad boy down. Wash the skid steer down. Hot water pressure washer, the only way to go. Mighty M 3504. She's looking nice and pretty, just finishing touches. See how nice and clean that undercarriage is. All right, she's all done. All clean in here, that's where you want it. There and here are two major parts. Built, there was big rocks like this all stuck in there. Hot water breaks them all up, all the gunk and goo and clay. Otherwise, it doesn't allow it to drop the material out, and it binds up and it wears your idlers out. So undercarriage, always keep clean, and it will last 5 times longer. People, just about out of water. Just hitting the grease right there, getting that nice and clean. Skid steer's all done. Labor Day weekend. Everybody have a safe and fun weekend. I'll be tinkering around in the yard, probably work on that tailgate a little more. I'll get some clips of that. And yeah, we'll be starting a new project Tuesday. Actually, we'll be back down on the church Tuesday, so got a couple new projects coming up, but stay tuned, and again, have a fun and safe weekend. Thanks.